Welcome back viewers to the channel. What if I told you, you don't need to time the market, you don't need to pick the next Tesla, and you don't need to stress about crashes, to build serious wealth? Because for years now, I've been doing something incredibly simple. I buy the same ETF. Every single month. No matter what the market is doing. Up, I buy. Down, I buy. Crash, I buy even more. And the ETF is SCHD. Now here's the crazy part. The data behind this strategy is so powerful, so consistent, and honestly, so boring, that most people ignore it. But that's exactly why it works. In this video, I'm going to break down why I buy SCHD every month no matter what the shocking data most investors overlook, why timing the market is costing you money, and how this simple strategy could change your financial future. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Let's get into it. The big lie about investing: most people think investing is about being smart, picking the right stocks, timing the perfect entry, catching the next big winner. But the truth: investing success is mostly about behavior. Let me explain. The average investor buys when the market is high, panics when the market drops, sells at the worst possible time, and repeats this cycle over and over again. Meanwhile, the investors who quietly build wealth, they do the opposite. What is SCHD? Quick breakdown. SCHD stands for Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, but forget the complicated name. Here's what really matters. It invests in high-quality dividend-paying companies, companies with strong cash flow, companies with a history of growing dividends. We're talking about stable businesses, profitable companies, shareholder-friendly management. This is not a hype ETF. This is not chasing trends. This is disciplined, data-driven investing. They stay consistent. They ignore noise. And they keep buying. That's where SCHD comes in. The shocking data. Now let's talk about the part most people ignore, the data. Over time, SCHD has delivered strong total returns, consistent dividend growth, lower volatility compared to many growth ETFs. But here's the part that shocks people: investors who buy consistently outperform those who try to time the market. Let's break it down. Imagine two investors. Investor A waits for dips, tries to predict crashes, often stays in cash. Investor B buys SCHD every month no matter the price, no emotions involved. Over time, Investor B almost always wins. Why? Because missing just a few of the market's best days can destroy your returns. And guess what? Those best days often happen during volatile periods, when most people are sitting on the sidelines. Why I buy every month? Dollar cost averaging. My strategy is simple: dollar cost averaging. Every month, I invest a fixed amount into SCHD. No thinking. No guessing. No stress. Why this works? 1. It removes emotions. I don't care if the market is red or green. I just buy. 2. It averages out my cost. When prices are high, right pointing arrow, I buy fewer shares. When prices are low, right pointing arrow, I buy more shares. Over time, I get a solid average price. 3. It builds discipline. Consistency beats intensity in investing. What happens during market crashes? Now let's talk about the scary part: market crashes. Because this is where most investors fail. When the market drops, Fear increases, news gets negative, people panic, but here's how I see it. Market crashes are opportunities. Why? Because when SCHD drops, I'm buying quality companies at a discount. It's like your favorite store having a sale, but instead of clothes, it's income-producing assets. The power of dividends. This is where SCHD becomes even more powerful. Dividends. SCHD doesn't just grow, it pays you. And not just that, those dividends grow over time. So what happens? You buy shares, you receive dividends, you reinvest those dividends, your income increases. This creates a snowball effect. At first, it's small. But over time, it becomes unstoppable. The snowball effect. Let's visualize this. Year 1, small dividends feels insignificant. Year 5, noticeable income still growing. Year 10 plus, serious passive income compounding kicks in. And here's the key. The earlier you start, the more powerful this becomes. Why most people fail, and you won't. Most people fail with this strategy because they stop investing during downturns, they chase hype stocks, they lack patience. But if you stick to this, buy SCHD every month, reinvest dividends, stay consistent, you separate yourself from the majority. Risks. Let's be honest. Now let's be real. SCHD is not perfect. Risks include market downturns, dividend cuts, rare but possible, underperforming during tech bull runs. But here's how I think about it. I'm not chasing maximum returns. I'm building reliable income, long-term wealth, financial stability. My personal strategy. Here's exactly what I do. Invest monthly, automatic if possible, focus on long-term horizon, reinvest all dividends, ignore short-term noise, no complicated strategies. No constant checking. Just discipline. The long-term vision. Imagine this. 10 years of consistent investing, growing dividend income, reduced financial stress. Eventually, your portfolio starts working for you. Instead of you working for money, it becomes your money working for you. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Investing involves risk, including the loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. So here's the truth most people ignore. Wealth is not built in moments, it's built in habits. And one of the simplest habits: buying SCHD every month, no matter what. It's not flashy. It's not exciting. But it works. And the data proves it. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more investing content, comment SCHD if you're building your dividend portfolio, and remember, consistency beats everything.